some specific rules for IUPAC nomenclature. Here in this, the carbon compound which is attached to carbon and oxygen containing functional group, in such case that carbon should get first priority. In the priority order, COOH or carboxylic acid is first priority, then aldehyde. Because of that, we are starting numbering from carboxylic acid 1, 2, 3. Next, the name is, say, third carbon, aldehyde substitution is there, the prefix is formyl, 3 carbon atoms are there in the long chain, so prop, and carbon single bond only is there, so ane, it is the suffix is oic acid. The final the name is 3 formyl propanoic acid. We have another compound here. It is with 1, 2, 3 same functional groups are located at different carbon atoms. In such a way, we have to give naming as that without the functional groups, 4 carbon atoms are there in the long chain. So it is but, and each carbon atom is with single bond, so ane, butane, and for this butane, 1 and 2 and 4th carbon atom, nitrile substitution, nitrile functional groups are attached. So these 3 nitriles are attached at 1, 2 and 4th carbon. That is the reason we are giving name as 1, 2, 4 tricarbonitrile. Next, nomenclature of alicyclic compound. First, we will take monocyclic compound. The name of monocyclic compound will give us the primary prefix as we have to add cyclo. In previously, for open chain compound, we are giving prefix as substitution, but here we have to add another prefix called primary prefix is cyclo. This, if carbon-carbon single bonds are there, then we can call cycloalkane. If double bond is there, cycloalkene. Triple bond is there, cycloalkyne. And we have example. In this example, it is 3-membered ring. So cyclopropane, because of each carbon-carbon bond is single bond only. Another compound is 4-membered ring with carbon-carbon single bond, so cyclobutane. Another compound is 5-membered ring but with 1 carbon-carbon double bond, so the name is cyclopentene. Next, if only one substitution is attached to the ring, need not to mention the numbering. Then if more than one substitution or functional group are attached to the ring, then we have to give the numbering. In this case, first this methyl group is attached, only one substitution is there, so need not to mention the position of that substitution. If 2 substitutions are there, then we need to mention the position. Here 1 ethyl and 1 methyl is there. Ethyl is the first in alphabetical order, that is the reason the ethyl substituted carbon numbering is given as 1 and methyl is given as 2. So the name is 1 ethyl 2 methyl cyclopentane. If multiple bonds are there, the substitution parent ring, then we have to give numbering first to the double bond, and here the numbering is started with double bond carbon, substitution nitro is at 3rd position, so the name is 3-nitrocyclohexane, because 6-membered ring it is with 1 unsaturation that unsaturation at first position, that is the reason 1-ene, 6-membered ring, that is the reason hex, and cyclic ring, so cyclic, and nitro at third position, that is the reason 3-nitro. Finally, the name is 3-nitro cyclohexane. In case some functional group along with some substitution, along with the substitution, if functional group is there, the functional group should get first priority. Functional group attached carbon, the numbering is given 1 because the functional group attached carbon should get first priority. The numbering we can give in such a way to the sum of the substitution should get least number. If you are given numbering from left side or anti-clockwise direction, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6. If you are given clockwise direction, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 is the least number. Because of that, we are following clockwise direction to get least sum. Here in this given carbon, in this given carbon compound, different type of carbon oil hex 3-ene amine. We have some functional groups and their suffix in this chart. Here the naming of the functional group containing compounds we are discussing. Here first one, the carbon which is attached to acid functional group is given numbering 1 and followed by 2, 3, which is with double bond and nitro substitution. So the name is 3-nitro cyclohex 2-ene 1-carboxylic acid. Here amide functional group is there, ethyl substitution is there. So functional group carbon should get first priority. So here the way, in this way we are giving the numbering. So name is 2-ethyl cyclopentane 1-carboxamide. Another example, one is ester functional group is there, another one is keto functional group is there. As ester is first priority, then keto, the name is started with ester carbon attached carbon. The numbering is started with ester carbon attached carbon, then ring contain lesser carbon atoms than chain. If the ring contains less carbon atoms than chain, that ring is considered as substitution. So here the name is given as 2-cyclopentyl hexane. But here the chain is with less number of carbon atoms than ring. So the chain considered as substitution, ring as main compound. So the name is secondary butyl cyclohexane. In case the side chain contain multiple bond or functional group, if side chain contain multiple bond or functional group, that functional group should get first priority, or the side chain is considered as main chain, the ring is considered as substitution. In this case, aldehyde functional group is there. So this chain is considered as main chain, this ring considered as substitution. The name is given as 2-cyclohexyl propane. In the next case, we have one functional group alkene at chain. So here one numbering is started from double bond. At third position cyclopropyl group is there. So the name is 3-cyclopropyl 1-ene. The name is 3-cyclopropyl prop 1-ene. These are the some examples for naming of organic compounds. In the next class, we will discuss chemical properties of organic compounds. Thank you. If side chain contain multiple bond or functional group, that functional group should get first priority, or the side chain is considered as main chain, the ring is considered as substitution. In this case, aldehyde functional group is there, so this chain is considered as main chain, this ring considered as substitution. The name is given as 2-cyclohexyl propane. In the next case, we have one functional group alkene at chain. So, here one numbering is started from double bond. Name is 3-cyclopropyl prop1ene. These are the some examples for naming of organic compounds. In the next class, we will discuss chemical properties of organic compounds. Thank you.